Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Welcome back to D Reviews. Okay, hold up. Have you ever seen a building that looks like someone played real-life Tetris with actual houses? Yeah, that's exactly what this is. The video shows dozens of colorful homes piled on top of each other like a giant block tower ready to collapse. It is posted on a Yube and a Chat Facebook account. When this video popped up, we thought, there's no way people are actually living in that thing, right? Look closely, windows facing all sorts of directions, laundry swinging in the air like flags of survival. It looks like the world's most chaotic apartment complex ever built. Some viewers claim it's from Brazil's favelas. Others say India, or maybe some genius architect went rogue. But seriously, can you imagine living on the top floor? Forget elevators, you'd need hiking gear just to grab your morning coffee. Now here's the twist, this isn't just a random stack of containers. The colors, structure, and layout look like each house was copy-pasted by a gamer with zero sense of balance. Architect fans online are calling it the world's most creative disaster. Meanwhile, half of social media is convinced it's real. Comments like, "Wow, humans can build anything these days," and "I want to live there just for the view." Well, should they start packing boxes yet? Let's be honest, this thing defies physics. Even gravity probably looked at it and said, nope, I'm out. If this building really existed, the insurance company would just send a good luck card instead of a policy. Alright, time to lift the curtain because this building isn't what you think. Yep. It's an AI-generated illusion made using creative software like InVideo and digital art tools. The idea was to make it look hyper-realistic, as if houses were literally stacked one on top of another, mimicking real-world housing density seen in cities like Rio or Mumbai. But the truth is, it's all pixels and imagination. This building doesn't exist in reality. Still, you've got to admit, it's insanely convincing. It even fooled thousands of people online into thinking it's a real place. So next time you see a building that looks like it's straight out of Minecraft on steroids, remember, not everything viral is real. This is D Reviews, uncovering what's genuine, what's genius, and what's just digitally mischievous. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with that one friend who still believes this tower exists. Because here, we don't just scroll, we see through the scroll.